joining in time. This is Ravi, one of your hosts for this session today. So this is myself and Talat, my colleague. We will be co-hosting this session today. For background, we represent Messier Frankfurt India and Screenprint India. This is the first time we are bringing you all together through this medium, and we call it a sourcing webinar. It's nothing more than a networking, a gathering, and saying hello to your friends. What's different that we are distant, however, we are still near to you. So this medium has been connected to make you meet and get to know a few products that you may be looking to apply in your daily business routines. We are going to begin this session with a quick short poll. Let's get to know who all are connected with us and what segments do they belong to. So since most of you are online, please let us know which industry segments do you belong from: screen printing, digital textile printing, t-shirt printing, sublimation printing. Please give it a go. Let us know where are you from. Thank you. Please keep voting, and we shall show the results in a couple of seconds from now. Thank you. All right, so it looks like screen printing is at the top, and then we have sublimation, followed by digital text printing, and then we have t-shirt printing. So I think we have a mixed segment, a blend of all. Thank you again for this voting. Let's move forward. So next up, we are going to open the forum. We will have the presenters come and meet you. In the first place, we will have Karthikeyan, who belongs to DCC, my apologies. Karthikeyan belongs to DCC, has been working with them as a general manager for last 10 years. Karthik, over to you. Please take your stage. Thanks. Please unmute yourself.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are. Thank you.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Karthik. I'm representing DCC on behalf of their products and services. And I like to thank Screenprint India and Messier Frankfurt for organizing this event. And I also welcome all the attendees here. Let me begin with the slideshow. Okay, so DCC is a DCC is a 4-decade-old company with its interest in screen printing, digital printing, and anything related to textile printing industry. Our group companies, these are our group companies. We have DCC Prints, Creative Industries, which is the ink manufacturing division, Design Canvas, which is our, from Design Canvas, we are providing design support based on themes to our customer requirements. Fresh Print is the commercial printing arm of DCC. We have Kaizen Academy, which is where we are giving training on screen printing, digital printing, hands-on training for newcomers who want to know about screen printing and who want to be a part of the screen printing industry. So this is DCC. We have like more than 10,000 active customers in the above segments of fashion, sports apparel, home textiles, soft signages, and personal products. So what makes DCC a leader? So first thing, we are the largest screen printing solutions provider in Asia. We have a very good service backup for our products and a very good application support backup. We have one of a kind experience zone, the only company in Asia to have this kind of experience zone facility where anybody can come and have feel of the product, what we are offering. Then, like I said, the Kaizen Training Academy for hands-on training, and even for upskilling of the existing team. And DCC provides, we are a totally integrated company. We provide not only the equipments, we provide your end-to-end solution. We provide the consumables, we give the training, we give you the solution, application support, everything. So M&R, we represent, DCC represents M&R in India. And M&R, as you know, is the largest manufacturer of screen printing equipments in the world. And M&R not only manufactures these equipments, they also manufacture all the related products and accessories which is relevant to the screen printing industry.
Karthik, are you connected? Are you there? Hi, Karthik. If you hear me, please respond. Karthik, we are waiting a couple seconds. If you're there, please respond. Karthik, we will go next, and we will have you reconnect. Talat, if you could hear me, please go next. Thanks.
Thank you, Ravi. Before moving on to the next session, can we have another polling question, please? It'll just take 15 seconds. Yeah, the question is, what is your line of work? Screen, textile, digital print, machine manufacturer, screen printing material supplier, commercial printer, t-shirt printer, merchandisers, print service providers. Can we have the results in, please? Yeah, so we have a good number of t-shirt printers and screen printing machine manufacturers in there. Moving on to the next session, we have Mr. Raj Tanna, who is the founder and director of Schutzen Chemical Group, with 10 years of experience of working with multinational companies before launching Schutzen as a direct marketing company. He holds a BSc Honours degree in Chemical Technology and Business Management from University of Manchester, with a clear focus on polymer chemistry. He has completed his thesis in replacing sodium alginate from reactive printing applications. Over to you, Mr. Raj Tanna.
Thank you so much, Talat, for introducing me. And thank you everyone for joining this show and taking some time out to hear all the speakers and know about the products in this lockdown. Times are very tough, and I wish you all good health and safety. So without taking too much time, I'll go to the details of the product that we would like to present with a small introduction about our company as well. So very quickly, Schutzen Chemical Group is purely focused on manufacturing sustainable chemistries towards various markets. So considering our involvement with screen printing, it will be purely related to only chemicals related to printing and chemicals related to sublimation paper or chemicals related to pre-treating the textile substrate for digital padding purposes or digital printing purposes. So Schutzen is a diversified group company. We operate in 3 divisions mainly. We have our industrial division. We have also our own consumer brand, which goes to the market. And we have our natural polymer division. So in industrial division, we are diversified as textile specialty chemicals. We provide the entire range from pre-treatment to finishing. For this show, we will be focusing more on our printing chemicals and specifically on the discharge products and what innovations we bring to the market in this segment. We are also diversified in agriculture related spreading and wetting agents. For the COVID-19 crisis, we have launched an antimicrobial antiviral product, which can also be added on the textile substrate to give you 99 or 99.9% antimicrobial and antiviral properties on your substrate. We also have these products for the personal care market. Along with that, we also provide some sustainable hair care products. In the consumer brand, we have our own auto care range of products which are sold on Amazon under the brand name Shudzin. I'm not sure whether you all have come across this brand. The fabric care and disinfecting products are the new launches which we are planning based on the COVID-19 pandemic that we will launch. So the introduction is given by Talat. I will skip this slide. So we would be interested right now to discuss more on bringing around two concepts for the ready-made print paste market for screen printing on discharge basis. So there are two concepts that we would like to talk about. One would be the zero formaldehyde concept, and the second would be the low formaldehyde concept, where we will be exhibiting our products to discharge reactive grounds with pigments and direct whites. So many of you all know about this because you all are hands-on in the industry, but very quickly, it's discharge printing is a very, very technical printing area. And usually you have a pre-reactive dyed cellulose substrate, which needs to be discharged with activators. And then in the same process, you have the pigments added on to the surface, usually utilized for t-shirt printing. Worldwide right now, many companies are offering ready-made print paste which are available, but some of them, or most of them, utilize hazardous chemistries. The hazardous chemistries fall under three categories. One, while making the chemical which is supplied to you, it could be having hydrocarbon solvents like kerosene, which is unfriendly for the environment and not safe for the humans. So this is where we want to bring around the change. You use a lot of formaldehyde based discharging agents such as zinc sulfoxylate formaldehyde to discharge the color. This is an ongoing trend right now, and we have brought an innovation to have a discharging which is completely formaldehyde free. Many companies are also now offering water-based discharging agents, but these discharging agents are good for some level of short screen printing, but many of the users are now moving towards continuous printing like rotary screen printing also. And in such a high demand area, you require a product which has very good rheology profile, which suits with continuous printing applications. So this process is also very well known to most of the people here. Usually the discharge on the base is done usually on t-shirts. They are also used with baby wear, and 92 parts of the product is used, 8 parts of the activator is used, and the necessary process goes on. But now when you use this on rotary printing machines, which are made on nickel screen, many times because of the heat generation, there is a lot of charring of the print paste that takes place, and a lot of nickel and tin deposition takes place onto the substrate. So if any of the users are doing this business on a corporate level, or they have certain export requirements, then their requirements would not pass the stringent tests of nickel, tin, heavy metals, and formaldehyde. And the main reason for this is because of the petroleum products which are added into the formulation, which add to this kind of a disadvantage. So what we are offering here is that we are able to bring around an innovative technology based on our natural polymer chemistry. Because of this, we are able to make our products which is completely hydrocarbon free, formaldehyde free, and to a large extent does not depend on petroleum products like acrylate. Within this, we have two concepts. One, which is a regular system, but our ready-made paste will be water-based and formaldehyde free. Regular, you can use a zinc sulfoxylate formaldehyde system along with it to provide you with a clean discharge, and based on our chemistry, get a whiter and a brighter color and depth compared to the current chemistries which are going on, especially with the whites. We are able to get a very bright white because normally when you discharge it with formaldehyde based discharging agents, there is a form of yellowing which takes place in the stentor, and then your discharge looks little yellow and looks dull. So getting a bright white color is very important with discharge, and we are able to do this because of our very unique formulation. The second concept is a completely zero formaldehyde technology. For this, you need to change a little bit in terms of your process. Normally, a low formaldehyde system works on simple ready-made paste, 92 parts and 8 parts of zinc sulfoxylate formaldehyde, and that is okay. But when we are doing a zero formaldehyde system, we have a 3-part system. So we have the ready-made print paste, which we take to a certain X parts. Then we have a solubilizing or discharging accelerator, which we add. Along with that, we have a completely formaldehyde-free discharging activator, which is our product Schutzen Strip TU. So this entire concept here of zero formaldehyde will have not even the low ppms, but will have completely zero formaldehyde, not even the formaldehyde coming from the discharging agent. So this allows you to give a very bright color and also a very soft hand feel, along with excellent whiteness and brightness. So the uniqueness of Schutzen products is that it does not release nickel or tin onto the textile substrate. The zero formaldehyde concepts will give you a completely 0 ppm formaldehyde on the substrate, along with brightness, whiteness, and softness. The low formaldehyde system, which is now regularly used for high consumption markets, will have the formaldehydes under the acceptable norms of less than 200 ppm. And because of our superior technology, the colors are deeper and whiter and brighter after the discharge takes place. So this is a representative picture of a discharge, which is done with a completely zero formaldehyde activator. And you will see that the blue is the ground and the white is the discharge. So it's not that the blue is where we have added the color. We have taken a blue substrate and we have discharged the blue and added the white. So you see, even in the picture, it looks very representative and very white and bright. This is done by our zero formaldehyde system. The low formaldehyde system I've already explained. So we are always committed to have the right certifications for the textile industry, and time progresses. Once we have the lockdown, certain certifications are in the pipeline. Some certifications are going to be completed in some time. Also, lastly, you can reach us and see all about us on schützengroup.com, and you can email us at info@schützengroup.com. We are very proactive when it comes to email replies, so it will not go unnoticed. Thank you again for your time and attention. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Mr. Tanna, once again for elaborating us through your.
Yes. Lastly, yeah. Also, I would like to tell all the participants here that if there are any questions, there is a question and answer section provided by Screenprint India, and any questions which you have for me, I will address it after the show is the normal trend is over. Right, Ravi?
Great. Thanks, Mr. Tanna. So to the guests here today, the audience, please keep posting your questions in the Q&A boxes. We will keep addressing them real time as and when possible. And we had a quick drop in DCC. We have them back on. So Karthik ji, if you are there, please come up and let's begin where you dropped. Thank you.
Right. Again, a very good afternoon to everyone. I sincerely apologize for the break in transmission. Let me straight away go to the presentation right now. So, like I said, DCC is a. Yeah, I think the presentation is visible right now. Like I said, DCC is a 4-decade-old organization with a very wide experience as far as textile printing is considered. These are our group companies. It is DCC Prints, Creative Industry, Design Canvas, Fresh Prints, and Kaizen Academy. So, DCC enjoys the goodwill and support of more than 10,000 active customers, which has been acquired over a period of time, and we are supporting them in the field of fashion, sports apparels, home textiles, soft signages, and personalized products. So what makes DCC a market leader in its segment? We are the largest screen printing solutions provider. I mean, the printing service in terms of machine service or application support is unmatchable. We have an experience show, we have an experience zone, we have a training academy for the printing segment. Then we are a totally integrated company. Like, we not only provide the equipments used for the printing industry, but also the consumables, the application support, the know-hows of the what is the latest going on in the industry. So such kind of supports we are providing to this industry. We represent M&R, which is the world's largest manufacturer of screen printing equipment in India. M&R is based out of US. We are representing them in India. And M&R has a wide range of screen printing equipments. They not only make the screen printing equipments, they also manufacture all the auxiliary equipments related to screen printing. And like even they have, considering the future, they have a machine which can offload the garment from the pallet and it can even straight away pack it out. So it reduces manpower and increases the efficiency, and dependency of the manpower is minimized. And M&R has a range of eco-friendly ecos, which supports the ecosystem in form of iMage, where the computer to screen equipment reduces your dependability on the photo films, the positive films, the eco rinse, where your water consumption is reduced by 1/20th of the normal consumption. Then we are representing these range of sublimation and digital printers in India. We have we have this Epson, DGI, Mona Lisa, and we represent Delhi, which is from Korea. This is a UV printing machine mostly for signages, and Suma cutters. Monte Antonio is one of the world's best fusing machines. We have a range of roll-to-roll fusing machines, flatbed fusing machines for a wide variety of applications. You can use it for transfers, sublimation transfers, transfer stickers, your foil transfers. It has endless range of applications, and it gives you one of the best results in this segment. So these are the consumables related to the digital printing. We have Jetcall, which is Jetcall is to let you know that it is a 400-year-old company, Jetcall. They manufacture one of the best ranges of sublimation transfer papers in the world. We have disperse inks, reactive inks. We have the range of RIP softwares in form of Vasage, InEdit, and Onyx. So this is where this shows us the whole picture of how integrated we are. Right, we have a total net. We are a network kind of formation where whether it is screen, digital, or sublimation, we share our knowledge between each of these kind of different setups, and which is helpful for our customers. We are not only, for example, DCC is not only selling these equipments or their services and consumables. We are also one of the users of these products and services. So we know what are the intricacies involved here, and what is the requirement of the market. So it helps us in improving our services and also imparting support and knowledge to our customers. We have one of a kind experience zone in Mumbai, where, like it is said, the most beautiful thing in the world cannot be seen or even touched. You have to actually feel it, where you can come and feel what is the offering which you are going to get and what actually is required by you. And this not only is from the end customers point of view, but it gives a lot of business opportunities for new startups, people who want to diversify, etc. So these are the brands which we represent in India. It is a whole ranging from the screen, digital, the corresponding consumables, etc. So as far as the service is concerned, DCC has a mobile app where the customer can log in their any kind of customer support requirement, and also they can log in to check the history of the mission-wise history of regarding the services done respective that particular mission. Creative Industry is the ink manufacturing division of DCC. And we manufacture world-class water-based inks and discharge inks. And our inks are God certified. And being one of the users of this ink, we keep on improving our inks based on the need of the hour and considering the future requirements. Design canvas. Design canvas is it is a designing arm of DCC, where based on the customer needs, mood boards or themes, we provide the solution, designing solution to our customers. Then we have this Kaizen Academy, which is the training wing of DCC. Here we train newcomers who want to enter into the field of printing. Not only that, we provide hands-on experience to them. We have a fully operational facility starting from pre-press to post-press, so that they can feel what actually on the actual machinery and the actual processes they are trained. And we are even providing upskilling to the existing people in the industry. So this is about the Kaizen Academy. And FreshPrint is the commercial printing arm of DCC, where we have a whole range of screen printing and digital setup available. We print for some of the premium brands across the globe, and we are approved, we are certified by many of the premium brands, and it's a fully functional production facility. So these are some of the applications, what kind of prints we are doing. And we have an important announcement to make at the end of this presentation. DCC, which is the largest printing solution provider in Asia, has acquired Graphica, acquired a majority stake in Graphica in the through 3Q Printing Technologies Private Limited. And here we are going to produce world-class printing equipments based on the screen printing equipments, based on the present needs and considering the future requirements. So just, I will just play you a teaser video. Video terida. Video. எதுங்க வீடியோ வீடியோ வரலையா were you able to see the video which I posted just now? Video earlier.
Karthik is not pulling up. Just try to be a little, quick, and let's see if it works.
Yeah.
If not, we will go
one
next.
second.
Thanks. Yeah.
1 second.
You need to stop sharing this. No?
Yeah. Is the video visible now?
Well, Karthik, it's not loading up.
1 second, just a second, 1 second.
Yeah. Karthik, allow us to go next, and if we have time at hand, we'll just come back and run the video again, if that is okay, right?
1 second, just it's through. 1 second.
Okay, thanks.
Somehow the video. Are you able to see it now?
Well, Karthik, please
yeah.
allow me to go next.
Yeah.
And you please pull the video in the meantime. We will come back to you. Okay.
Right.
Thank you. So guys, it's been a great show up as of yet, and I also noticed there's been a question in the chat question boxes around the merger or the acquisition news. So I think Sripada, you've got the answer. So had the audience. I request my fellow colleague Jirel to please pull up the next polling questions before we move to Aero Digital. Thank you. So let's quickly give a vote of count. What products are you interested in? Screen, textile, digital machines, squidges, meshes, chemical and solvents, inks or dyes? Please share your views with us here through the polling. Thank you. Let's wait a couple seconds and see the results, and then we'll move forward. Thanks. Well, it's evident that we have most of the people interested in screen and textile and digital printing products, followed by inks and dyes, and obviously the consumables. With that note, we'd like to go forward with Aero Digital. You may have known them. From Aero Digital today, we have Mr. Prakash Chopra, who's been a prominent personality in the printing industry and working as a senior vice president sales with Aero Digital. He's been there for almost 27 years now. He leads sales team for North, Northern, Eastern regions. And alongside Prakash, we will have Kaushal. So this is going to be a unique demonstration. Prakash ji is going to open a quick introduction of Aero Digital, followed by a live presentation at the factory or the plant setup, which is going to be run by Kaushal. Over to Prakash ji, and we will then give lead to Kaushal for a live demo run. Thank you again.
Thanks, Ravi, for the intro. I'm Prakash, and I'm working for Aero Digital for almost 27 years. And we have been dealing in digital printing and cutting solutions for last 3 decades. And I'm, just, pulling up my, presentation. Okay, so Aero, as everybody knows, is a very old company and one of the pioneer company in digital printing and cutting solution. And we are dealing in various, verticals, various digital printing solutions for signage, for textile, for tiles, for glass, and for label printing industry. So today's session is for textile. So, I will start with textile printing. In Aero, we have 2 verticals even in textile. We are dealing with 2 companies. One is Reggiani and one is Cornet. And today's subject is Cornet for DTG, means direct to garment printing. So why, direct to garment printing requirement is arising, these days is one is personal expression, then social media influence, e-commerce boom, and sustainability. So that is where, digital printing is coming into picture. So the advantage of, Cornet is zero water, means it is using zero water during printing. No inventory, means you can print on demand whenever the print, the demand is there. You can print and just ship it. Then very less carbon footprint in this technology, and hardly any chemicals. Means we are it's a chemical free printing because the inks are water based, and there's no water is being used. So here you see the steps involved in digital printing in competitors' machines. In the slides upside, you see pre-treatment, then heat press, again dry, then print, and again heat press or dry. While in Cornet, it is simply one step, just print and dry. So it is less time consuming, and very simple to print. So Cornet has got, so many modules of machine, but I would like to, emphasize on Cornet Storm HD6, which we will see later in the demo room also, live running the machine. So this machine we have installed, in recently in Mumbai, and this machine can print on t-shirts and all other garments like hoodie, t-shirts, leggings, and it can print basically on all kind of substrates like cotton, polyester, blend, wool, lycra, silk, ex- everything, using the same ink and same process. This is another model. I would like to, just brief about this machine. This is a polyester, substrate printing machine for specially for dark polyester, where, in other processes, you have a dye migration problem. So Cornet has, developed a special ink for dark polyester, and this machine is also available. So these are the applications, more than t-shirt, you can print hoodies, you can print shirts, you can leggings, bags. So these are the other applications, bags, shoes, caps, and that's all. And now I would request the host to take the screen to our demo center where everybody can see the machine in action. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chopra, for running us through Aero Digital's profile. That's been quite elaborative. Thank you again. So let's move forward to Kaushal. Kaushal, I believe you're ready. Let's go a live demo. Let's quickly run over to your screen. Over to you, Kaushal. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, Prakashji. Thanks, Ravi. Hi, good morning, everyone. Today, we are showcasing you Cornet Storm HD6 live from our demo facility here in Ahmedabad, where we are having most of our equipments installed. As Prakashji told, we are going to show you equipment running live. The printer which you can see in your screen is Cornet HD6. This is high definition printing machine having 1200 DPI as resolution. 6 stands for 6 process colors which it can print along with white. It is having 2 whites to print as underbase for dark garments. Just now, as we speak, we'll load the t-shirt and we'll start printing. This is the easiest process to load the material and to avoid any accidents, etc. Just lock it up and we are ready to go. As Prakashji has explained you all, this is a single step process. So the pre-treatment is being applied in the printer itself before printing. Once, just now it is applying the pre-treatment. Once the pre-treatment is done, it will start the printing immediately. The first layer being applied is being white. As it is printing now, what I can show you is our gallery where we have different applications. As you can see in your screen, we have lined up several different samples, which you already saw in the PPT shown by Prakashji. It is having the, it can definitely print on hoodies, jeans, even aprons, masks, etc. We definitely have different palette solutions for printing each of these articles. Basically, the application is not only limited with this printer to t-shirts. We can print on jeans, we can print on sleeves, We can print on t-shirts, we can print on pockets, we can even print tagless t-shirts with this platform. This is the different palette which is made for printing on hoodies. As it is printing, we'll be loading the hoodie over here and we'll be keeping it ready to print. One design is printed. We can remove this. I can show you the sample of the same once the hoodie is loaded. If you have any questions about this platform, you are free to load them all in the Q&A session, and we'll be answering them once the session is over, as it has been discussed. Benefit of printing using this platform is we can include the printing even on sleeves and the zippers, where the other platforms cannot reach with these digital platform and its unique palette solutions. We can print on each of the different area of the t-shirt or the garment, and without any different hesitation. The post process will be only drying these t-shirts through the heater at specified temperature and time frame. Okay. I'll switch the screen and show you the sample. Okay. So this is the sample which it will be looking like once it is dried and ready. As we are having the four basic colors plus red and green for extending the gamut, this can save a lot of cost. Also, when printing the specially red and green inks, and also it enhances the color gamut for no limits, because with these higher resolution and lot of smaller droplet sizes, it generates there is no limitation on colors. It can generate indefinite number of colors. As we are printing this dark hoodie, my colleague is preparing the white t-shirt and will be ready to print. So that, as you can see over here, there is no time wastage between the loading and unloading, and we can continuously keep this printer running for 24/7. Especially when it comes to production, it can produce about 55 t-shirts dark in an hour. And when we produce lighter garments, the productivity increases by 25 garments per hour, 25%. This is the hoodie, how it is looking after drying it up. So we have covered the zips, we have covered the pockets. It is completely uneven surface, and we have achieved the same printing result across the garment. So this is the biggest advantage on the on printing the digital platform from Kornit.
Kaushal, while you are representing, I have a quick question for you from the audience. It's a live question. So somebody has a question. Usually in the digital market, there's an opening system, whereas DTG supplier often insists customers to buy their ink, which customers say that these are costly inks. So just give a light on the consumables that you're putting into this machinery. How effective is it, pricing wise and efficiency wise? A quick thought.
We are having bulk ink containers in this printer. Unlike the other DTG commonly used printers, we have the 4-liter bulk ink container. The commercial aspects of them can be shared by Prakashji on separate session or separate way of communication. We as using 4-liter bulk containers, the wastage of the ink is pretty minimal in these, because in smaller containers or smaller contents, the wastage increases. Whereas we use here EcoRapid inks where the consumption is lower. I can even let you know the consumption of what we have printed till now. The black t-shirt which we have printed consumed about 3 ml of total inks. The hoodie consumed about 4 ml of total ink. And this white garment which is being printed is going to consume less than 2 ml. And the best part is whatever this consumption is, the customer can know it even before starting to print. The ripping solution will give him the exact data on what this particular t-shirt is going to consume. So he can be pretty ready with his estimates before doing any production.
All right, Kaushal, I really want to thank you for this live demonstration and being so detailed, analytical, and, even letting us know how we could, kind of backtrack the efficiencies through the machinery. This is all lovely. This is all great. With this, I'd like to go forward. Thanks again. And to the audience, please reach out to Mr. Prakash Chopra for any further information and questions on the machinery that you just have seen. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome, Kaushal. Please allow us to get to the next polling question. Let's hear from the audience again, and then we will switch it over to Ranjit ji. So let's have the next polling question. Thank you. So please, guests, let us know, what is your role in the purchasing of your organization? Are you a decision maker? Do you influence? Are you the evaluator yourself? Let's hear from you. Thank you. Please use your polling options to answer back. Thanks. Oh, lovely. As expected, we have most of them as decision makers, followed by people who influence, and then we definitely have the evaluators. So I think we have a mixed blend and the right hierarchy talking to us directly, as you could see. Without taking much more time, I give it back to my co-host. Talat, if you could hear me, please go forward. Let's have Risa on. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. Moving on to the next presentation, I would like to invite Mr. Ranjit Kandiru, who is the Vice President of Riso India Private Limited, a Japanese subsidiary of Riso Kagaku Corporation. Mr. Ranjit, over to you and your colleague for a live demo, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Talat, and thank you, Mr. Ravi. Okay, I know it's a tough time for all of us, and we are all trying to trying our level best to get the business back on track. But it seems taking more than expected time to get back to normal. Till then, let us adopt new normal, help each other, and take business forward. Thanks to Messi Frankfurt for organizing this wonderful event. And I should sincerely thank Mr. Ravi and Mr. Talat for organizing this wonderful event.
Most welcome, sir. Please go on with your presentation. Thank you again.
Yes, I'm just starting with a small introduction. Let me start with a small introduction about our company. And my screen is visible to everyone?
Well, it's pulling up now.
Yeah, okay. Now, we are a Japanese multinational. We are based out of Tokyo, Japan. And this company, established in 1946, is almost 75-year-old now. And our turnover, it's almost a 1 billion USD. And we are focusing on, creating fundamentally unique products. When I talk about fundamentally unique products, once you see our live demonstration, you will come to know why these products are very unique. It's a truly global company with we are selling this product and support in 190 countries.
Ranjit, please try to reshare your screen. Oh, we see it now. Thank you.
Is it okay? Mr. Ravi,
Yes, you are on. Please go on. Thank you. Your presentation is
all
on.
right, all right, all right. Because other screen also should be on because we'll be showing the live demonstration. Okay. Let me explain resort in India. Our products are present in India almost over 30 years now, and we have established our subsidiary in 2007, and we are head office is based out of Noida, and we have offices, 7 offices in Noida, Mumbai, Calcutta, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, and Cochin, and we have 120 sales and service locations. Okay. Now, basically, we have two main product line. One is a Risograph, which is a digital duplicator. And this product is mainly used by most of the commercial printers, and the education institutions across the country. And we call it digital duplicator. And, in industry, people call it digital offset machine or Xerox offset machine. And even people call it common man's digital press. And these are mainly used for, when you have, variable, document to be printed, like, in the document, we have multiple copies to be printed. Those kind of application, these machines are very ideal. Like, you got printing of bail books or the notices, and, examination, materials on many, document which read in multiple copies. And we have a machine which goes up to, like the speed. The unique feature of this product is the speed of this product. It can go up to 10,000 copies per hour on an A3 sheets. That's the kind of productivity this machine can produce. And the second product we'll be demonstrating today is the Concolor. This is production inkjet. This is for printing of variable data in color as well as in black. And these are ideally used for when you have utility, bills printing, publishing kind of application, short-term books, examination papers with the variable data, the question papers with variable data, all those kind of application. I can keep on talking about the application, endlessly. That's the reason we call it the printers with endless possibilities. Now let us see, small, advantage of the product. One is it's economical. When I talk about economical, means the running cost on these machines are much cheaper than any other technology, on a certain volume, certain work. And other thing is the speed. As I said, this machine has a capability to print from 130 ppm, and the highest speed, which is 190 ppm in E3, which is world's fastest printer. Then product life, any product of Riso, starting with a life cycle of more than 1 crore copies, 100 lakh copies and above. And we have a machine which is done 2, 3, and 4 copies, which is still running. And talking about maintenance, okay, many products of what you buy normally have very high, sometimes have a very high, maintenance cost. Okay, but I can assure you this product will not burden your pockets. The maintenance cost on this product will be much, lower. It's very extremely low. Now, talking about power usage, and this machine, like you can even, using 1 unit of power, the machine is capable of even producing something like 40,000 copies. So just using 1 unit of power, the machine is capable of producing something like 40,000 prints. So that is a beauty, such a low power consumption. And the most importantly, and it is very, appropriate at this point of time, the labor, free. Because this machine can operate, anybody can operate this machine. You don't require a skilled operator. We have 15 minutes, 20 minutes training is good enough to run this machine. So that easy it is. Even the technology, when I talk about the technology, how this machine is working, this is basically a combination of I would say, combination.
Are you connected with us? Because I think we cannot hear you now. Apologies. Ranjit, can you hear us? Hello? Ranjit, I think there's a connection drop. Please allow us to go to next.
No, I'm
Okay, thanks. Okay, please.
Yeah. What I'll do is I'll take it to the live demonstration now.
Is it on a presentation?
Okay, my colleagues are waiting.
Okay, okay.
I will take you to the live demonstration now. Mr. Ravi?
Yes, Ranjit. Yes, go on.
So you need to enable the other ID so that we can show the live demonstration.
Let me quickly check. Just bear with me.
Can you see the video?
Yeah, we can see them. Yes, thanks.
Yeah. So I'll just explain the machine. Like, Mr. Ranjit have detailed, in detail, he explained the product actually. So I'll just take you through the product in brief. Basically, the machine, we have two different line of product, which as Mr. Ranjit sir explained. So I'm just going to, demonstrate the product, which is printing at 7,800 impressions per hour, means 130 pages per minute. So I'm just putting the machine to use. Just you can see the prints, and this is a kind of notice kind of a job, printing. So this is printing at 130 pages per minute, and I'm using a very thin paper. And the next part, I'm just showing a similar machine which is in a higher speed, higher print area and the better quality. This is a machine which prints at 130 pages per minute in A3 size. So I'm just starting the machine. You can see it is printing at a bigger print area, and the print quality is also much better than similar kind of technology. So it is printing at 130 pages per minute, and this is kind of functioning like a print printing kind of a technology, as Mr. Ranjit explained. So I'll just take you through other products also, which is high-speed inkjet printer. First, I'm going to show a machine which is 160 pages per minute, and this is an inkjet printer. I'm sure you're able to see this. It is printing in color at 160 pages per minute. So I'll just take whatever machine I've shown you, it's a color machine. I'm just moving to a black and white machine, a monochrome machine, which is printing, collating, and printing variable data. It's all in single phase. It is doing that. You can see it is, it is printing. You can see it is printing, taking different colors of paper. It means we have kept the papers in different trays. It is printing, collating, and at the same time. It printed, collated, it's all same time without, which basically reduces the labor requirement actually. So that's one part. So I'm going to show this machine to print a wedding card. Again, kind of a screen print application. So one side I printed already, one color I already printed. The second color I'm just printing it. So as you can see, I'll just load the paper. Actually, we were printing in the stationery. The first color was printed in blue. Now I am printing the second color. The changing of color is so easy. I'll just remove this drum and put the different color. I have, you can see here I have different drums to print different colors actually. So it is changing of the colors are pretty easy. So I'll just insert this, and I'm printing a second color, especially this is printing a wedding card. Yes. So I'll just take to the printer so that you can see it more better. So we printed black, blue color first. Now I am printing the red color. So you can see, like, kind of.
Well, sir, I want to thank you there again. It is definitely a great demonstration of a product which has too much a time efficiency and such a fine quality product coming out real time. With that, I request the audience to please connect with Reso offline for their products since you've seen them live yourself. Let's go forward. Durrell, if there's a polling question awaiting, let's pull to the poll, and we have Sandprintech waiting. And please stay connected, all of you all. We would have Q&As in the end. We will have them attended. So please stay connected. Thank you.
Mr. Ravi?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, please.
Yeah, I'm just sharing the numbers. Somebody want to have a live demonstration.
Okay, please, yeah. You must share your contact details. Yes.
Yeah, please. It is. Can you see it on my screen?
Not exactly. You might want to drop it in the chat box, or what is it? I'll quickly type it in for you, or you drop it in the chat box, please.
Yeah.
Chat box.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
So we are going next to the polling question, and in the meantime, please drop in your contact details in the chat box. All of you all attending, please note their contact information. Thank you. Durrell, over to you for the next question. Oh, I'm sorry. I think we have exhausted the polling questions. My bad. Humble apologies here. Let's go forward to Sandprintech. We have Manoj waiting for some time now. Manoj represents Sandprintech, who's been a leader and a renowned name within the industry. Whereas Manoj has been working and associated as a marketing manager for Sandprintech. He's been there for over a decade, to be precise, 11 years by now. He comes with an abundance of experience, 20 years in the screen printing products field by now. Manoj, I give you a go. Please go on with your presentation. Thank you again. Manoj, please start sharing your screen and go live. Thank you.
Thank you, Ravi. Hello, friends. Myself, Manoj Umredkar, Marketing Manager for Sandprintech Private Limited. I am associate with Sandprintech since last 11 years. Sandprintech is a leading material suppliers for screen printing industry like screen mesh, screen chemicals and emulsions, VZ rubbers. Hello.
Manoj, please go on. We are all listening to you. Thanks. Please go on.
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. Just a moment. I am just sharing my.
Manoj, please use screen share to bring it up. Thanks. Manoj, are you finding to share your screen, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Durrell, why don't you pull it up if we have it there? Please pull it up. Well, Manoj, we can see your presentation now.
Yeah.
I think it's closed. Please pull it back up. Yes, it's on. Please go on. Thanks.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry for interrupt. So Sandprintech is established in 1998 by Mr. Ashok Nevaskar, and he is a 30 years experience in chemical industries as well as textile printing. So since 2010, Sandprintech being the private limited firm with joining with our young director, Mr. Saurabh Nevaskar. So Sandprintech is representing one world-class products for screen printing industry. So I'm taking you for short presentation. Cephar. Cephar is a well-known company, 175-year-old company for screen printing, mesh, screen printing, stretching equipments, and filtration division as well. So we are the part of the screen printing industry for quite 30 years, since 30 years back. So Cephar having different kind of niches for textile industry, for graphic industry, as well as electronic industry. Kiwo is from Germany. This is the 125 years old company, and Kiwo is leading manufacturers for screen making chemicals, emulsions, clean line chemicals, as well as specialty adhesives for various substrates. Kiwo also representing the CTS system, CTS technology, that is computer to screen. So we are representing Kiwo from since last 30 years for the screen printing industry. One is Increase Debut from France. Increase Debut is representing the UV specialty inks as well as organic ink for glass bottle decoration, the electronic industry like automobile sectors, dials, electrical panels like label industry, as well as container industry and specialty varnishes for various substrates. Is a space-based company. It's completely related to overprint varnishes. The varnishes is for value addition on your brochures, different kind of printing industry. Speedliner representing specialty varnish for product development. It's like gloss varnish, matte varnish, emboss effect, textured effect, sand effect, different kind of effects, varnishes we are doing for Indian printing industry. Four is the polyurethane squeezy rubbers for screen printing. We have two types of grades in the squeezy. One is standard resistant and one is high resistance. Also, Fimo is providing the equipment like the squeezy grinder, other auxiliaries for the screen printing industry.
Manojji, I think there's been a drop in your connection,
Yeah.
and for the audience,
Right.
can you hear us,
Are you getting
Manoj?
it? Yeah.
Manoj, let's do one thing. Please share your contact details with them, and we've seen most of the products that you were trying to demonstrate through the presentation. So why don't you just read out your phone number or drop it in the chat box so that people can contact you right after the webinar is over.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you again.
So,
well,
yeah.
I understand, audience, that we are a little above the time. However, things do happen in the live scenario. I have one quick last question, and I think then we could go forward. Just give me a second here because we have too many live questions coming up here already. Well, I think it's for DCC. Somebody has asked for Kaizen Academy. I would request DCC associates to drop in a quick information in the chat box so the individual could get in touch with you. I see more questions coming up. Just finding the most relevant one here. Thank you. Please bear with me. Okay. I think there's a quick question. Any process which we can use to make sublimation on cotton fabrics? Is there, who's going to answer in the panel? Someone's asking on sublimation on cotton fabrics. Well, audience, I want to, let's contact the presenters post the webinars over. And I would request all the panelists and the presenters to drop in your contact details, your email IDs, your phone numbers in the chat box so that, we can all connect with each other, which has been the purpose of this webinar today. Jurel, I request you to please pull the next slide up. Well, I want to thank everyone here today because you are the contributors of having this gathering happen through the network of internet. It's been the first sourcing webinar. We all have proficiencies and improvements with every webinar coming forward. I request you all to note down our contact details also. Samson, who heads the group for Screenprint India, followed by me, Ravi Malhotra, and my co-host Talat. We are all working together to bring the next edition of Screenprint India your way. These are our email addresses. We are going next Delhi and Mumbai, December Delhi and Mumbai in March. So these are the next up, and we request you to reach out to us. We request you to network amongst yourself. Please keep contacting. Please go on, inquire more on the products and the demonstrations that you've seen today. With that note, I want to close the session today. Again, a very warm thank you to all of you who made this happen today, and we will keep posting for more updates. Thank you again. Thank you all. Hello all, I want to thank you again for being connected and attending this demonstration, live demonstrations, presentations. It's been a unique forum today. Thank you once again. If you've shared your contact details, I request you drop the queue and please note down contacts of those whom you actually were looking to connect, and please stay in touch. Thank you again.